my name is Trần Phương Nguyen, and in this video, I'm gonna recall what I have learned in Foundation of Public Relations class by reflecting to the following thesis. BR is a battle of what is reality and how people will see and understand the reality. But first, what is BR? Let's take a look at BR history to figure it out. BR starts with Barnum with untrustworthy rumor which disrespect to the public, and then we have Ivy Lee who redefine responsibility of BR officer, which truthful and accurate is essential. After that, we have Edward Bernays who applied psychology in public relations. And then we have Jim Groom, who create two-way symmetrical, which means approach focuses on both strong moral standards and interchanging views. So back to the question, what is BR? According to Public Relations Society of America in 2012, PR is a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationships between organizations and their public. If that seems sophisticated to understand, consider them as storytellers, which means they can identify positive aspects in a company and create positive stories out of it. Or they can adjust the word usage to make negative story doesn't seem so bad. So how is it different from advertising and journalism? The differences between advertising and public relations can be illustrated in three simple phases: the pay versus the unpaid, purchase versus earn, skeptical versus credible. Or, according to the founder of BOS, has said, advertising is saying that you're good, but BR is getting someone else to say that you're good. The difference between BR and journalism is when BR is created to put the most positive spin on anything done by institution or individual, journalism is not about making things look good or bad, it's portraying them in a realistic light. While BR is to make the entirety look as wonderful as it is. Journalism is printing what someone else does not want to be printed. Everything else is public relations. So back to the thesis. There is the differences between reality and how people will see and understand it through PR. But the word battle wouldn't be what I would use to define PR, since there's no dramatically conflict between the reality and how people see it through the PR classes. They just adjust it. So why and how do they do that? The main purpose of PR is to protect, enhance, and build reputation. To achieve those, there's a variety of tools to be used in PR, which include the news, the newsletter, social media, and attend public events. But day by day, PR get developed, and there's not only just the trustworthy, the untrustworthy, or just unreliable rumor anymore. For example, the unauthorized bikini show, which create an unharmed scandal, which also use the already well-known material to promote the brand name. That's also PR. So now, let's take a look at those quotes to see the importance of PR. According to Daniel Bernstein, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some hire public relations officers. Or Bill Gates. If it was down to my last dollar, I would spend it on public relations. Or Oscar Wilde. If there's only one thing in the world worse than being talked about, and that is not being talked about. And the last quote. People do not buy goods or service, they buy relations, story, and magic from Seth Godin. And that brings us to the end of my presentation. Thank you.